Hello everyone. Question is Universal Containers UC wants to build a few applications that leverage the Salesforce REST API. UC has asked its architect to describe how the API calls will be authenticated to a specific user. Which two mechanisms can the architect provide? Option A authentication token. Option B session ID. Option C refresh token. Option D access token. Correct answer is option A and option D. Question is Universal Containers UC has implemented SSO according to the diagram below. Uses SAML while Salesforce Org 1 uses OAuth 2.0. Users usually start their day by first attempting to log into Salesforce Org 2 and then later in the day they will log into either the financial system or CPQ system depending upon their job position. Which two systems are acting as identity providers? Option A financial system. Option B ping federate. Option C Salesforce Org 2. Option D Salesforce Org 1. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is Universal Containers UC built an integration for their employees to post, view, and vote for ideas in Salesforce from an internal company portal. When ideas are posted in Salesforce, links to the ideas are created in the company portal pages as part of the integration process. The company portal connects to Salesforce using OAuth. Everything is working fine except when users click on links to existing ideas. They are always taken to the idea's home page rather than the specific idea after authorization. Which OAuth URL parameters can be used to retain the original requested page so that a user can be redirected correctly after OAuth authorization? Option A redirect underscore URL. Option B state. Option C scope. Option D callout underscore URL. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is Universal Containers UC is building an integration between Salesforce and a legacy web applications using the Canvas framework. The security of UC has determined that a signed request from Salesforce is not an adequate authentication solution for the third-party app. Which two options should the architect consider for authenticating the third-party app using the Canvas framework? Option A utilizing the SAML single sign-on flow to allow the third party to authenticate itself against UC's IDP. Option B utilize authorization providers to allow the third party application to authenticate itself against Salesforce as the IDP. Option C utilize Canvas OAuth flow to allow the third party application to authenticate itself against Salesforce as the IDP. Option D create a registration handler Apex class to allow the third party application to authenticate itself against Salesforce as the IDP. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is Universal Containers UC has decided to build a new highly sensitive application on the Force.com platform. The security team at UC has decided that they want users to provide a fingerprint in addition to username or password to authenticate to this application. How can an architect support fingerprints as a form of identification for Salesforce authentication? Option A. Use Salesforce two-factor authentication with callouts to a third-party fingerprint scanning application. Option B. Use an app exchange product that does fingerprint scanning with native Salesforce identity confirmation. Option C. Use delegated authentication with callouts to a third-party fingerprint scanning application. Option D. Use custom login flows with callouts to a third-party fingerprint scanning application. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.